The world's first genetically modified babies are under the microscope once again. Now, new research shows that the modification to their genes that made them immune to the HIV virus may actually be harmful to their overall health in the long run. RT's Rachel Blevins has been working on this story.
Two babies who became the first in the world to be born with genetically modified DNA may be immune to HIV, but they also could be at a higher risk for premature death, according to a new study. The twin girls were presented as a modern marvel when a Chinese scientist announced that he had created them with a gene editing tool called CRISPR last year. He used the tool to insert a mutated version of the CCR5 gene called Delta 32 to make the subjects immune to the HIV virus. But a new study shows that patients with the Delta 32 mutation are at least 21% more likely to die before the age of 76. And the cause could be from a number of diseases that are far more common than HIV. The mutation occurs naturally in around 1% of the population. The latest study, conducted by researchers from the University of California, Berkeley, looked at the health data and the death rates of more than 400,000 people of British ancestry who did and did not possess the mutated gene. It found that patients who had the Delta 32 mutation were actually more susceptible to viruses like West Nile and influenza. The researcher who led the latest study noted that his team was surprised to see such a significant increase in premature death among the subjects. He said, quote, "There are many reasons not to make CRISPR babies at this stage, and one of them is the fact that we can't really predict the effect of the mutations that we induce." The Chinese scientist, who proudly announced that he had created the world's first genetically modified babies in November, was met with a host of criticism from the medical community, with many arguing that he had gone too far too soon. So for now, scientists say that the latest findings highlight the importance of further research before implementing new gene editing methods, as the risk of immunity to one virus could be the increased vulnerability to several others. In Washington, Rachel Blevins, RT.
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out our channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have tons of content for you just like this. For more of RT America's one-of-a-kind news and analysis, be sure to subscribe and never stop questioning more.